is the sky where the birds tweet. Green is the grass where we play around. Yellow is the sun shining so proud. Orange is the carrot, crunchy to eat. Pink is the flower, lovely and neat. Purple is the grape, round and small. Brown is the tree, standing so tall. Black is the night, with stars so bright. White is the snow, soft, pure and light.